We're back.
No, don't start.
He does not want this camera on. Let me do the fan shroud.
I'm gonna paint it, but
yeah.
See, I put the aluminum in there, pop riveted it, and then the panel bond. Remember that was a big hole? I just got to sand it off now, and that's
sand it and paint it. Looks good.
Well.
Uh-oh, my seats are out. Get that? I can't remember what seat was leaking down.
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
So
we're trying to insulate this bad boy.
No, not mine though. Here, hold on a second.
I figured while it was here.
So you got.
Let's not even.
Your Dynamat.
Well, here's one reason why it'd be hotter than hell.
Well, no, that's the.
Yeah.
But this one's already covered. So that's the Dynamat, and then here is the foam barrier, which is going 2 layers thick.
Yeah.
This, push up on that now.
Yeah.
You got to push a little ways, but right there, it's solid as a rock.
Yeah. Got some insulation behind it.
There is close.
I can't believe that's all it is.
Well, there was. Of course, it's not. If you look, see the stuff on the back?
This crap here?
Yeah, that's it. So, everything, like even here, wrap your hand around the inside of that.
Yeah.
The door frame had nothing here at all.
Right.
So what I did with this is I Dynamated around the corner so onto the flat.
Yeah.
And then I did the same with this. It's hanging out right here. I got to trim it off, and then I went all the way up the firewall. Now, if you look underneath from that side, maybe not. Now you got, here, come up.
Oh, I see it on the back behind the engine there.
Now, you see behind the engine, I Dynamated the outside too.
Yeah.
Wrapped this all the way down, and then back here, look, there's heat shield.
I see the heat shield you built.
Nathan built both of them.
Okay. Oh, okay. You got 2 of them built. I see the other one.
Just go completely back.
The heat shield here.
And then we
heat shield over there.
And then Dynamated up.
Yeah.
On that too, to try to reflect some of it. So I brought that heat tape back to there.
Yeah, I can see the heat tape all the way to the joint there.
And then it's got to be better than it was.
So hopefully we can cool this baby off a little bit.
It should. I mean, but this was it. And oh my God, I got a 5-gallon bucket of dirt.
Oh, I'm sure.
I mean, that's. But it has no reflective barrier.
Yeah.
It's just a piece of cardboard with. And you see how this goes down.
So you put the Dynamat and then this foam. 2 layers of some foam.
Yep, 2 layers with the silver.
Yeah.
UV crap. I mean. But
hopefully that's the cat's meow.
I mean,
I've heard of another product somebody was telling me about. But
go hear this.
Yeah.
Now go over and smack the other corner.
Yeah.
And you can hear the difference in the cab.
Right.
I mean, like I said.
Oh, you just went back with tan on the turbo.
The green looked like.
Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't think it was gonna look that good either.
I was not happy.
Got it all hooked up. See, you painted the alternator.
No, I didn't change it.
Painted.
Just cleaned it up and painted it.
Looks good.
I know somebody has
all new belts.
Everything. I know somebody has issues with certain things.
Yeah.
When he said, "Is that original?" Yeah. I said, "Oh, I know it's time to change that."
Yeah, it looks good.
It's.
And we finally fixed the fan shroud. Well, almost.
Well, it'll be,
other than sanding and painting.
And then that'll be in. This will be in today.
Sanibel, Florida. There's our other seat.
And that'll be
ready to sit back in these guys again.
Yeah.
And the grill's going back in.
Yep, that'll go in today. That's what I'm pretty much going to work on. It's backwards.
I know. We need to get some lights behind it.
I have them. They're in the truck.
Well, it'll look good.
It's dirty.
Oh, I see.
I ain't going to wash it until I'm done.
Looking good, Steve.
Yeah,
So all this was just. Look at that. That's where one of the lights sat and got hot. or something?
that's
paint.
the primer.
Yeah. From it being open.
Yep, from that center one being open. But you see how the bottom edges of them were all.
Yeah.
It used to get wet.
Oh yeah.
But now the one nice thing with the Dynamat, even if one of the pop rivets leaks, it's not going to get through the floor like it used to be able to.
And one day we'll just take all this paneling and all
that's
that.
coming off today.
Well, I'm just saying one day we'll replace it all.
Oh yeah.
Get a new dash, nice and 75 chrome shopped out.
And then we'll take this off.
And then we'll finally get your stacks.
2 8s.
2 8s on this side?
No, one on each side.
I know.
Or we'll make it a grass burner.
No. No, I know some friends of mine that get heat for that.
We can make it a grass burner, but leave the pipes up, and then you could light them up at night inside.
I know a friend of mine that gets a little heat for that. Looking good, Steve.
But
well, there's the latest on the Kenworth, folks.
Somebody keeps adding to the list.
Yeah, I keep adding to the list. Every time he tries to give it to me, I say, wait, but
why it's here.
While it's here.
This was their insulation on the outside.
Really?
This is what your seat sits on.
Yeah.
That's the panel. I'm gonna Dynamat the bottom of this.
Yeah.
And then bolt it back in and Dynamat across the top of it. I even made the hole for the shifter a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
I don't know why the freaking hole's 20 inches round, but I'm gonna come over.
If you get it done in the next hour, I'll be happy, buddy. Huh?
I ain't saying a word.
What?
Fine, nothing.
It's a whole hour, dude.
And in 45 minutes from now, you'll call me and say, hey, why you're there?
It's a whole hour. I mean, you got a whole hour to finish it up.
I polished that.
Yeah, it does look good.
I polished the back of that one, the front of that one. Go look at the doors on
Did you get the tie rod ends?
Yeah, the tie rod
I
ends
see they're new.
Yep, the bar's all done.
What the hell is that, a leak? Oh,
that might not be from this.
Warranty work.
Oh,
we haven't even got it. It hadn't even come out of the bay. We already got a warranty claim, folks. I'll get back with you in a minute.